There have been times when I'm in conversations and a question is proposed. What is something that you wish you'd never done? Or what is an experience you wish you'd never have had? And of course, when I hear that question, a ton of things pop into my head. But one that always stands out the most is my divorce when I was 23 years old. That was such a painful and jilting experience and took a lot of healing, a lot of prayer, and a lot of therapy to get over and get through. I would always reference that experience when I'd hear that question, or I'd just be sitting with my own thoughts and I would wish it. I wish I'd never gotten a divorce. I wish I'd never gotten married. I wish that I'd never had to deal with that hard break. However, as I've gotten older, I've started to learn that there were so many lessons that came from that experience that I needed to learn. There was personal growth, emotional growth. I learned how to start creating boundaries for myself. There were so many lessons, and I've actually grown to surprisingly appreciate that experience. Over the years, I have said that I wanted to stop saying that I'd wish I'd never gone through anything. Granted, we all make mistakes and would love to take back some of the most embarrassing decisions of our lives. But a lot of times, it's important to see the lessons and the gems that we take away from those experiences. I will say that having gone through something like a divorce made me such a stronger person. Sure, it knocked me off of my feet, but I survived. I like to think about what the scripture says in 1 Peter 5:10. It says, after you've suffered a little while, the Lord will restore you and he will make you strong. And that's exactly what he did with me. After experiencing something so terrible and so life-shattering at such a young age, the Lord made me so much stronger. Now I have the ability to withstand so much more than before because of that. Today, I'm saying to you, stop discounting your experiences, your hardships, and your struggles. It may be difficult to see at the moment, but all of those things are woven together to create the amazing, strong, and beautiful person that you are and will continue to be. So, the next time that you're challenged with a question like that, what is something that you wish you could change about your life? I want you to resist the urge of naming something right off and think about how God brought you through that, how he strengthened you, how he restored you, and how he made you steadfast.